Welcome to Fine Art for JSS 3. Today we do BECE Fine Art Practice. Section A, Elements and Principles of Art. Question 1, state the 7 elements of art. Answer: 1. Line. 2. Shape. 3. Form. 4. Color. 5. Texture. 6. Space. 7. Value, light and dark. Question 2. Define color and distinguish between primary and secondary colors. Answer: color is the visual property of objects that results from the reflection of light at specific wavelengths. Primary colors cannot be made by mixing other colors. In traditional or subtractive pigment color mixing, red, yellow, blue are primaries. Secondary colors are made by mixing two primary colors, red plus yellow equals orange. Yellow plus blue equals green. Red plus blue equals violet/purple. Question 3. What is meant by rhythm in art? Give an example. Answer: rhythm in art is the repetition of visual elements, line, shape, color, texture, to create a sense of movement or pattern. Example: a painting of rows of market stalls, each similar in shape but slightly different in color, creates visual rhythm. Section B, Art Forms and Techniques. Question 4. Distinguish between etching and lithography as printmaking techniques. Answer: etching is an intaglio process. The image is incised, cut, into a metal plate using a needle and acid. Ink is applied into the grooves. Lithography is a planographic, flat surface, process based on the principle that oil and water do not mix. The artist draws on stone or aluminium with a greasy material. Ink sticks to the greasy areas and not the wet blank areas. Question 5. What is a mural? State the steps involved in executing a mural using the grid method. Answer: a mural is a large artwork painted or applied directly on a wall or ceiling. Grid method: 1. Draw the design, a cartoon, on paper. 2. Divide both the cartoon and the wall into equal squares, grid. 3. Transfer the design square by square onto the wall. 4. Paint and finish the mural. Section C, Nigerian Art History. Question 6. Identify and discuss 3 important traditions in Nigerian art history. Answer: 1. Nok terracotta. The Nok culture of central Nigeria, 500 BC to 200 AD, produced some of Africa's earliest known terracotta figures. 2. Ayefi bronze sculptures. The Yoruba people of Alife produced naturalistic bronze heads and sculptures, approximately 12th to 15th century, of great artistic sophistication. 3. Benin bronze and ivory art. The Kingdom of Benin, Edo people, produced brass plaques, memorial heads, and royal regalia using the lost WAEC or serre padu casting technique. Question 7. Name 4 Nigerian artists and state 1 achievement for each. Answer: 1. Ben Enwanwu, 1917 to 1994. His tutu paintings sold for £1.2 million at auction. 2. El Anatsui, internationally celebrated for large-scale metal tapestries. 3. Bruce Onobropia, internationally recognized for innovative printmaking. 4. Twins 77, 1944 to 2011, pioneer of the Oshogbo art movement. Section D, Art and Society. Question 8. Explain how art can be used for social commentary. Give 1 example from Nigerian art history. Answer: social commentary in art is the use of artistic expression to communicate a message, critique, or observation about society. Artists use their work to challenge injustice, raise awareness, and inspire change. Example: Ben Enwanwu's portrait of Biafran children during the Nigerian Civil War drew international attention to the suffering caused by the war and helped mobilize humanitarian aid. Remember, BECE Fine Art Practice: 7 elements of art equals line plus shape plus form plus color plus texture plus space plus value/light and dark. Color equals visual property that results from reflection of light at specific wavelengths. Primary colors in subtractive/pigment mixing equals red plus yellow plus blue equals cannot be made by mixing other colors. Secondary colors equals made by mixing two primary colors equals red plus yellow equals orange plus yellow plus blue equals green plus red plus blue equals violet slash purple. Rhythm equals repetition of visual elements slash line plus shape plus color plus texture equals create sense of movement or pattern. Etching equals intaglio process equals image incised into metal plate using needle plus acid equals ink applied into grooves. Lithography equals planographic slash flat surface process equals oil and water do not mix equals artist draws on stone or aluminium with greasy material equals ink sticks to greasy areas plus not to wet blank areas. Mural equals large artwork painted or applied directly on a wall or ceiling. Grid method equals draw design slash cartoon on paper plus divide both cartoon plus wall into equal squares slash grid plus transfer design square by square plus paint plus finish. Nigerian art history. NOC terracotta equals Central Nigeria equals 500 BC to 200 AD equals Africa's earliest known terracotta figures. IFE bronze sculptures equals Yoruba people of Alife equals naturalistic bronze heads plus sculptures equals 12th, 15th century. Benin bronze plus ivory equals Kingdom of Benin slash Edo people equals brass plaques plus memorial heads plus royal regalia equals lost work slash Sere Padu casting. Nigerian artist, Ben Nwanwu slash 1917-1994 equals Tutu paintings equals sold for £1.2 million at auction. El Anatsui equals international equals large-scale metal tapestries. Bruce Onobrekpia equals innovative printmaking. Twins 77/1944-2011 equals pioneer of Oshogbo art movement. Social commentary in art equals artistic expression to communicate message plus critique or observation about society. Example equals Ben Nwanwu's portrait of Biafran children during Nigerian civil war equals drew international attention to suffering equals helped mobilize humanitarian aid. Thank you.